Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you, but we are always smiling. So today's Saturday, May 5th, Cinco De Mayo. Judah was asking me like if I got done with work early today. Luckily I was. I kind of planned this personally because I was telling myself like on my Saturdays I want to be done with work a little bit earlier than normal because I want to start, you know, being able to go out. Some of you might, you know, watch the vlogs and you guys are like, yo, Judah, you were like, you guys are so good and so cute. Like really and truly we're very compatible, but like of course in any relationship like there are going to always be problems. I mean, we don't have big problems and stuff, but I know sometimes when I'm working and she wants to like do like pop-up stuff, like I can't always do it. So I'm definitely trying to make my schedule a little bit more flexible for that. Isn't it? Even though she's cool with it or whatever, like you don't know, like in relationships you gotta try to always make things work, right? So yeah, pretty much we're gonna go to Regency. I did a project in Regency once in university, and I think they're one of the, you know, more classy kind of restaurants in Kingston. So I'm gonna take you guys there. It's gonna be Mexican food, you know what I'm saying, papi? That's what we're gonna be doing, huh? And yeah, that's gonna be the vlog. It's not gonna be a really long vlog because of course again I'm in a relationship and I don't always be like vlogging all the time for y'all. You guys are always like, yo, come on, take me there, take me there. It's not easy. Yeah, but I'm gonna try to get quick snippets, show you guys what the place is like, and you don't know, keep the link. So I just got here and I got Judah a rose. Like seriously, this is my first time ever getting any girl a rose, so yeah, I just saw this guy selling them and I was like, you know what, why not? Look at her face, yo. What's up, babe?
Thank you, baby.
Huh?
I said thank you.
Yo, in there is really packed, guys, alright? I'm not digging. Yeah, but all them parts. Oh! Oh! Like I literally came here to get some food, well, Wanga belly as well. But there's a lot of people here and never thought like so many persons be celebrating Cinco de Mayo. And like the worst part, a whole heap of money in there and the whole heap of dance. You know what that means? Yeah, but I don't like how inside smells. It smells kind of sweaty. Yeah. But it's a good vibe. It's a good vibe. I guess we just never expected this kind of vibe. But yeah, pretty cool. What's up, cuz?
I passed my UK exam.
Eh?
I passed my UK.
I talk to grandma and stuff like that.
I'll give you 2. Here I come.
Somebody back there. So we got our tequila shots. It actually tastes really good.
You had it already?
Huh?
You had it already?
I tried it.
Babe, it's a shot. You take everything one time.
I know, but I want to see how it tastes like, babe. Alright, ready? It's pretty smooth. Not bad. People are here dancing. Oh, that's burning my stomach. Look at it, yeah? It's funny, I say, I never buy one girl one rose before, don't?
Yeah, it's so bad.
Alright, so I'm a little bit happier because we got a seat. So we can actually get something to eat now. The vibe here is nice, so because I like the people dancing and all that stuff, but like I just wanted somebody to sit down so I can get some food, you know what I'm saying? Some of you asked me already, like if I'm going back to Dream Weekend this summer. Nah, I'm not going back to Dream Weekend. I've already done that. Next year I'll go back, but this year I'm going to, I'm not going to tell you, but I'm going to take you to another party series which is going to be pretty lit. It's going to be awesome, man.
Cool and they've been just match. If a difference is shooting in the bill must match. Cool what you know for it is a concept.
Okay guys, I think I like Mexican music. It's like the instrumentals are like so full of passion and just a lot of energy. I like it. Would I be one of those persons out there dancing? Nah, it's not really my jive. Alright, so Judah got chicken quesadillas and I got... So this is my second time being at the Regency. The first time I came here I didn't like it, to be quite honest, because most of the stuff on the menu they didn't have. Now, of course it's kind of busy, so whatever, but like we talked to one of the waiters in while ago and he was like, what did he say? Yo, I'm kind of busy, so we can't really deal with it. So I'm like, yo, who's gonna deal with this then? Like, are you gonna distribute the work or what? He was like, alright, you're gonna take the order. So Judah and I, we ordered a pineapple and a orange daiquiri. You know the man boss? You know the boss man bring to it? Strawberry. Judah doesn't drink strawberry. I will drink it because I drink strawberry, so there's no problem. Do you think I want to pay for the second one? Guys, my order finally come in. Finally. We got churros as well.
No lie.